hop in here quick. And I think we're live. Hold on, is this? Yeah, there we go. Pedestals development screen. Wonderful stuff. Alright, what was I doing? I had one more thing I was going to do. Hold on here. Let me try this thing again. Cool. Got that. Cool. Alright. That should be pretty nifty. And let's get rock and roll here. Alright, so let me see where we left off last time. Last time we left off with not figuring out something and then stopping because we got frustrated, basically. Alright, yeah. So let's recap. Last time we were trying to suck up stacks of dust. Stacks of dust don't necessarily just mean dust, which is one for one. It also can mean items that could contain dust, multiples of dust, basically. And then we're having issues with absorbing it in a way that works. Yeah, we had a lot of issues, basically. So we needed to rethink that whole suck up dust system thing. I think what I'm going to do is we're going to skip that for right now, because the base thing we have is, can we transfer dust? Oh yeah, this is on collide. Okay, you know what I might do? I might just do, well, this is working, right? No, let's do this. Yeah, okay. Let's just comment out all this stuff so that we don't have to worry about any of the dust pickup stuff with on collide, which is the main issue. The other bit, which is the actual transferring, that works just fine. This here. Cool. Okay, actually I need to switch up my dev profile real quick. Boom, there we go. Should probably close that just for some extra run. Cool. Alright, so we got the transfer dust stuff. Let's go into our export. And our export has can transfer items, fluids, energy, XP. I already had dust in here. Cool. Okay. Let's pop that in here. Comment this out real quick. Alright. I don't know if I need all this stuff yet. We'll see. Okay, we've got the dust handler. We have the handler bit. Check null. Wait, hold on. This is export, right? This is taking it out of the pedestal. So why am I checking for the handler? Hold on. Hold on. What? What? Hold on. Oh, yeah, yeah, because this is needed to figure out if we can insert dust. Right. Okay. So it's not that we need that. We need handler can receive, basically. Okay. Oh, right. We need to validate if we can fill. What was the validation I was using before? Handler dot is just valid. There we go. Now, is this a tank? Is that the first value? Int var. I'm assuming that's a tank value. So the tank is 0, and the dust magic we're trying to insert is what's in the pedestal. So I probably should do dust magic in pedestal is equal to pedestal dot get store dust. Boom. Alright, so this should validate if we can actually insert it or not. We remove that now. Ah, okay, so this is actually the experience handling, but so we're going to do container max dust handler dot tank capacity should be 0 because that's the tank. Container current dust. Let's do amount. Do I want to do actual dust? Nah. Cool. All right. Dust space is the max minus the min, or the amount. Okay, here. So here's let's actually throw this above here because we're grabbing basically. Wait, hold on. Actually. Oh, let's do. There we go. Got our dust and pedestal. I already have the dust in the pedestal. I just need to get the amount. So that dot get dust amount. Cool. All right, easy enough. Container experience space. Okay, so dust space here. Pedestal got get dust. Transfer rate. Pedestal dot get. Oh yeah, this is the same thing. Otherwise, it's this. Oh yeah, didn't I make this a one-liner? Yeah, I did. Let's go back here. Well, it's not a one-liner there. It's a one-liner down here that I commented out, isn't it? Where did that go? There it is. Boom. Actually, let's set that as a one-liner up here. What is total dust and stack equal to? Math.multiply exact. Oh, right, because of that. I think that's the right number. Yeah, that has to be the right value. Yep, cool. All right, so we're gonna comment this out. Bonk. That should be the one-liner that we need here for the transfer rate. And then over here, transfer rate will be about the same, and we'll just have to move some stuff around. So the minimum amount is get current experience. So I'm assuming it's that value. Get space. And then get space. Okay. Alright. I'm assuming that's the right one. Excuse me. I'm assuming that's the right way to do it, so. Cool. Don't need that. Okay, so let's see here. Handler dot receive dust, or I think it'd be fill. I believe is the correct. Fill. Oh, dust magic. Would this be what's in the pedestal? So dot get color kind of. And then this is transfer rate as the amount. And then that's comma. Dust simulate. There we go. So simulate true. Fill, which I believe returns the amount filled if it's greater than 0. Yeah, I think that's right. So then we're going to do remove dust. And then we're going to do, hold on here, B. I have dust magic, dust action, and then I have, okay, you know what I could do? Yeah, I have int dust action. Okay, so then we'll do execute here. So basically, if we can fill the container, remove the dust, and then basically actually fill the container this time. Then we'll do this so it actually works. Cool. All right, so that should actually work. Oh, right, we renamed this. Cool. So now, in theory, the export upgrade should just work. And then I think I can get rid of all this crap. Boom. Nice. Nifty. All right. Cool, cool, cool. Let's do a run client here and check. Oh, right. Speaking of which, Minecraft Forge updated. So we should probably update that as well while we're here. Oh, hey, look, we're on 1.13. It's still not a 1.19.1 release. Let me see. What version was I using before? 100, I think, is what we were last on. So let's update to latest. Well, that's loading. Oh, yeah, we were on 100 last. All right, so we'll pop this up on screen here. So this is the changelog for Forge. This is the version we were currently on. So if we scroll up here, and this is really, really small. There we go. So yeah, version 101, clean up the pick item, middle mouse click patches. Don't know what that is. Oh, pick item. So when you middle mouse click, I guess they patched some stuff, so they cleaned it up. Nice. Output the full path and crash reports. Okay, so I don't know what this jar and jar thing is. It's a new thing. I don't do it, so I don't have to worry about it. But That makes sense. Making crash reports actually show Jar Jar stuff. That way we know who to blame. User agent header request maybe the update checker. Don't have a clue what that is. Crossbow's not firing arrow loose event. Oh, okay. That's nice. That'll be nice if we ever have to modify stuff like that. Inverted behavior and composite model building. Don't know what that does. Oh, here we go. Multiple tweaks and fixes the recent changes in the client. Refactor part 3. Part 3? What refactor was part 3? I only know of part 2. Because there's 6.4, 9.4. What's part 3? The word now. Okay. Unless this is another refactor. That would not surprise me. I guess we'll find out. Alright, so fixed weighted baked models not respecting their children rudder types. Oh, okay, yeah, because they added in a new render type thing to add to your models. A left load container model uses base textures particle. Oh, hey, that's kind of nice. That's handy. Fix inverted behavior. Okay, yeah, cool. A lot of modded blocks overriding can stick to. Oh, okay. So now you can make your own custom like slime blocks and honey blocks without doing anything crazy. Nice. API for tab list header footer. Oh, that's interesting. So we can actually modify like the. Interesting. As we load this up, of course. Okay, so like, if we go into here, so I could modify this, which that's. Oh, I have an issue in my lang file apparently. Fucked up everything. No wonder something's not working. Okay, that's actually gonna bother me. But I'm assuming you can modify this and this somehow. Interesting. All right, let's fix that lang file issue before that bothers me. Lang file, where'd you go? There you are. Okay. Probably just have an extra comma or I don't need it. Sure do. Alright, we'll try that again. Alright. So API for the header footer of the tab list. I don't know what those are, but that's cool. New hook to allow modification of light map via dimensional special effects. Interesting. This light map is a new thing for when blocks light up, like glowstone when you place glowstone and stuff. Light map, I think you like update it. And pedestals, I thought I could do something dynamic with lighting, because before you just apply light and the block updates and it shows off so much light. With pedestals, I thought, what if the more glowstone you inserted, the more light bright it would get? I would probably have to tap into this light map to do that, but at this point, I'm not going to bother with it. Fixed cases where your eyes would not work properly with Jar Jar. Don't care. Player event break speed using magic block position to signify invalid position. Oh, okay. We don't use break speed yet, but maybe. Invalid channel name sent from the server causing an overthrow to error. Oh, okay, that's good. No errors are better. Okay, and then allow faces of an elements model to be made emissive. What's emissive mean? My English is not strong. Having the power to radiate something. Oh, okay. Cool. So, like, ores could be emissive, radiating light or something. That's cool. Okay, that's kind of cool. I'll take a copy of that as I undo that. Cool. All right, that's fixed. Boom. Okay. Oh, you know what else I should do? I should probably check on JEI. Where did I put my JEI? I don't know. What version are we running? This version, apparently, 3 days ago. Boom, take that. We'll update JEI here real quick. Oh, it's 11.1 even. Wow, fancy. Boom, there we go. So we have a new JEI version. We have a new Forge version, and our game is running. All right, so first, let's test the exports that we just fixed. Or ported, rather. Okay, so let's break that. Break that. So we have 118 dust in that jar. Okay, cool. So package. Oh, yeah. So this used to be a texture that didn't exist. Now it's a model and a texture. I don't know if I'm going to go with this. But I thought, you know, packaged up dust. Sure, why not? Maybe the purple in the middle needs to be a little bit lighter, but it's not terrible. Sure, we'll roll with it. Whatever. Oh, yeah. So I need to grab ourselves a export. Yeah, okay. Okay, so we have a jar. And another jar. Jar 1 says 118. Jar 2 says nothing. Pedestal there. Pedestal there. Oh, I don't have a linking tool on me. Chest, please. Cool. Pop, pop. To test, we can throw an upgrade in and it will go there. So that way we know that it at least works. Alright, put that in. Put that in. It's not absorbing the dust. And likewise not putting it in. Okay. I wonder if it's because... Let's check on this. Cool. I'm hoping that's correct. So if that is true, which I'm sure it is, we'll do a can drain here. Can drain 2. Actually, why do I have a can drain here? I could actually do the... where's this at? Where's my check at? This. Actually, no. This is the pedestal. Yeah. This is get destined tank. There we go. Okay. That should be enough. Should be enough options there. Oh, that's something that, yeah, I won't have to worry about that. Okay. Let's see if this works or not. Oh, shoot. Nope. I'm going to stop. If it lets me stop. Can I stop this, please? I just remembered I changed my build options and I didn't oopsie, I didn't finish the things. Can I cancel that, please? Stop, pop, stop. Stop it. Stop building. Stop it. Oh no. It's having trouble stopping. There it is. Oh, stop. Alright, cool. Let's do a clean here. We're gonna get our code updated to the new Forge version. Oh, that's already done. Cool. Do one of those. Oh, you know what? That's probably why... Well, maybe not. I don't know. Maybe that's why it's taking so long for it to build when I hit client go. Because maybe I was trying to download the new version. Because this went way faster than normal. Oh yeah, let's hope that whatever changes I saw as a part 3 to the rendering changes wasn't actually a major thing. Because if the render code changed, I'll have to back up. I'm so tired of them changing names at this point. Which is why we need the recommended 1.18.1 build finally, because they can stop making changes then, hopefully. We'll see. Someday, this will work. I cannot wait to get some more stuff on Pedestals done so we get another build out, because I actually want to look at what mod is it called again? I actually had some people ask me about generators, and I kind of want to start on the generator mod, at least to get some basic like pedestal type generators going. There's enough of an API with pedestals, so we could probably do some stuff. If I don't just make standalone generators, which I think I might do. I think pedestal upgrades are cool, but if I make a standalone generator mod, I might as well just make them standalone. I don't know what the aesthetic would be, though, if I did. That would be something I'll have to think about. But I do want to make some custom generators for sure. So I kind of want to like sidestep pedestals just for a moment to do a little bit of custom generation stuff, because not a whole lot of mods add custom generators, unfortunately. And I want to do that because that sounds like fun. Believe it or not, porting pedestals is not incredibly enjoyable, just because it's all old content that I'm updating basically. But I played around with, I guess where this is going, I played around with hex casting in 1.18 with a bunch of friends, as well as played around with elemental craft. And elemental craft is pretty cool. I was really getting into it, and then all of a sudden I realized once I was really into it, it's like this is about the extent of the mod, which made me really sad because I'm like, I'm finally at like a point in Elemental Craft on this server I'm playing with some buddies where it's like I can actually do some stuff, and there's just not a whole lot to do. So I kind of feel let down because it's like I plateaued, and once you plateau, it's like you're done. There's no further content, and the spells are pretty. I don't want to say lame, just because I don't have any spells of my own mods, but at the same time, it's like I got my buddies who are like trying to see who can be the strongest and one-shot each other, and I'm over here playing with Elemental Craft going, I'd be lucky to do damage to these guys, which made me kind of sad. To be fair, the Elemental Craft, it's a very straightforward spell system, which is cool, but at the same time, you're limited on what you can do, which kind of sucks. At least with like spell scrolls, with potion effects, you can do some cool things with potions, like beef up the like potency and stuff, and actually do damage to people. It's still limiting, but not as bad. And I don't know, maybe I'm biased, but I was a little disappointed. So part of me like does want to work on effect scrolls and doing some like spell stuff with it too, maybe, but I guess we'll see. Cat found false. What? Really? All right. Boom. 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 Oops. Totally know how to use my mud. Well, that's an issue. Now, is that because it's not an iDust handler, it's an iDust storage? Let's check this out. All right, I'm gonna have to bring up my effect scrolls mod real quick here. Boom, there we go. New window. All right, here we go. Here's effect scrolls. The jar. We'll have to get the entity here. Item, entity. Here we go. Okay. It says iDust handler. So why wouldn't I be able to get the iDust handler if this is an iDust handler? I don't know. Let me just look at this. No changes have been made. So this is current changes right here. This is currently in that mod. And it uses an iDust handler, which means I should be able to grab it. I don't think there's any reason why I can't. The only thing I could think of would be, close that now, is maybe this is not searching for it. No, it says it's doing an iDust handler too. B. iDust handler, that should be working. Interesting. Put that back. Okay. Returning false, though. Is there a sided issue? I don't think there's a sided issue, though. Let's look at pedestals real quick. Specifically the pedestal itself. Oh no, I went down too far. I need like... Does this exist somewhere in the other one? I'm sure it does, but... Gate capability... Okay, well, I don't see it anywhere here. Load, save, save. Set removed. It doesn't have a git capability. That might actually be our issue. Okay, boom. We'll pop that in. Obviously, we don't have any of those. Boom. That might literally just be our issue. Oops, excuse me. Okay. I'm gonna have to upload this as a fix, it seems like. I guess while I'm at it, I should update my other bits as well. So we're gonna copy pedestals information over. Dust Scrolls is one of those mods that doesn't really get a whole lot of updates, so I'm not too worried about pushing another update for this. Not that anyone really is downloading it right now, so I'm not too concerned. What's Pedestals using for Tommel? 30? Okay, cool. Build. Effect scrolls, we want to get rid of that, and that, there we go. Pop that in there. Alright, let's do a little cleany clean. And then runs. And refresh. This is the one downside to not having all of my mods in the same like IDE, is I have to go upload it, then I can put back my Pedestals IDE. The only issue with setting up a multi-development IDE instance is it's just a Gradle is such a torturous way to do things. I don't want to have to mess with it more than I have to. So, I'm not going to. I'm going to update that to 7, though. Compared to Pedestals and Malib, you can tell Malib's at like 30. This has only been updated 7, 8 times, basically. So, yeah. Let's do a client run, just to make sure it still works. Alright, let's throw some dust in a jar, maybe. Just make sure that's working. Seems fine. Let's do that. Let's go to creative mode real quick. Give me a blaze rod. And give me a bowl. And give me a... Boom. Bonk. Nice. Oh, yeah, I'm in creative mode. That would explain it. Boom. Gold nuggies. Glowstone. Boom. String. Give me a weakness. Boom. Nice. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to say that's working. Although maybe that's not dropping the way it should. Oh, I'm in creative though, that's why. But yes, and I don't need that. I can actually do... Where's my palette real quick? Let's color this. Not that you can do this normally, but... I didn't mean to do that either. Or, you know what? Just the hell with it. Boom. Oh! Huh, my thing doesn't take that into effect, huh? Or into account. That's a bit unfortunate that my coloring doesn't work on that, but oh well. Huh. Okay. Bug I never knew existed. But I would say everything's working. Alright, cool. So we're going to do a build now. Commit and push. Cool. So now I will open up my CurseForge page. I'm going to do this off screen just because. Fix scrolls. Files. Upload. Forge. What the fuck is Rift? Is Rift the new fabric or quilt? I have no idea. I've never seen that option as a thing before. Huh. Okay. Cool. We're gonna submit that file. It's gonna give me a thing that I need. Alright, cool. So this can go away. Then I believe this is my fix scrolls. And now I can do a... Let's clean this out real quick. we'll do a reclean. Ba, 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 ba. I'm not tired. Okay. And a refresh. I think I can close out for now. And that. And that. Ba, 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 ba. All right. Now, let's do a little run here. Now let's see if that cap is found. It's actually going down. Obviously, the particle exists for experience for some reason, but that is actively going down. I think the total storage is like 200 in there. I don't have any way to show it. But if I look down here, cat valon true is valid true. Dust magic, some regard value. Cool. So that is actually working now. We're going to remove all the system prints there. Go back in here. All right, cool. So it's now absorbed all my dust. There's no dust in here, nothing remaining, which is what we wanted. And then if I do this, and that, and that, and then connecting up, nothing in there. Nothing in there. How? What? My game settings are off again, aren't they? Yeah. Okay. Oh, it's giving us actual experience. Why is it giving us experience? It shouldn't be experience. Oh, because I'm a dumbass. That's why. Okay, I understand. Wow, how did I screw that one up? Oh, jeez. Okay. uh, okay. dust magic would be get currently stored. Dot get color kind of transfer rate. Simulates. Oh yeah, this should be execute. Okay. That should have fixed it. Right. So while we're at it, let's go here. Wait, do I actually have a transferring away for dust? I don't think I've made a way to actually transfer the dust. Now that I think about that. Oh no, I have to transfer the dust. Surely I have a way to transfer dust in here. Surely. No, there's not. Because I have a can accept, fluid amount to accept, energy amount to accept, experience amount to accept, no dust amount to accept. Int dust amount to accept. This is mode 4. Items to pedestal, fluids to pedestal, energy to pedestal, experience to pedestal, and no dust to pedestal. So, whoops, okay. Let's throw this in here. Send dust to pedestal. Has dust. Oh, look at more. Let's see. Let's simplify this down. Wait, don't tell me I do that. All of these, do I? I totally do. Bad on me. This is a new Java, well, newish Java thing. I forget about it half the time when I make stuff. And honestly, all this code is ported for 118. So actually, some of it was being ported for 117. So I forget some things as I don't always check my code exactly. Can accept dust. Pedestal to send to. Can accept dust. Okay. I feel like this can be compiled into a single line of code, probably. Oops. Let's put this away. Okay. Max that can be received. Yeah, my brain can't think of it right now, but that can definitely be gotten to reduced down. Get max that can be sent. Max is available to send. Okay, so if I did like a math dot min b. An argument, another argument, returns the smaller of A and B. Okay. So I'll put this here. And then I'll put this in here. So if this is true, do that. If this is not true, do that. Okay, hold on, let's see. Let's because I'm a little wary, let's comment these out first. But I'm pretty sure that's the one-liner that I can use, because it takes the minimum amount of this, which could be the minimum, or it does the calculation here. So that should work. And then because I use this twice. Yeah. I think that's the best way to do that. Which also means I should probably update this. So basically, I can copy this and just update it where needed. Okay. Refactoring code as we go here. Copy that in. This is energy incoming this time. And this is get energy transfer rates. Boom. All right. Fluids. Cool. I'm going to go back down and copy this. A little bit easier. Cool. And then this last one here. Beautiful. Beautiful. Removes 2 if statements for a math min. Should be more performant then. Okay, so enough of that junk. I'm just leaving this stuff in here because what if it doesn't work and then I need to revert, so. Alright, so count to ends over 0, count. Das sind. Tile pedestal to send to. Where is my dust here? Yeah, we don't actually use that ever again, so. Oh, yeah, we do. Screwy. Oh, I see. I see what I've done here. Add dust. Can spawn particles. Oh, yes, particles. Oh, right. Those are the default particles that we spawn. Cool. Okay, so that is the dusty transfer bit. Cool. I think that works. Cool. Can't spawn here's our particle bits and bobs. Alright, cool. So right now we are spawning oh right, I need to fix this, don't I? Because all of my particles are spawning in the same bloody place, and I don't like that. Fluid XP energy. Red, green, blue. Or should I do... Actually, hold on. Let's go into our colorator. I'm going to pick a purple color because I like purple. 178, 255. Pause, directional, dust. This dot has dust. I wonder why it's doing that specifically. Maybe I'm not supposed to be using this, but you know what? To hell with it. Wait, now what's it complaining about here? Cool. I wonder if that's going to break other things. Okay, same thing basically. So let's do one of those. Hopefully it doesn't cause any issues. I don't know if that's going to matter too much or not. We will see. I don't know how that will look, but we're just going to assume that it'll be fine. Okay. I also need to make a way when we right click on the pedestal, it displays all stored information instead of just like what's. I'll show you. Because right now it just shows one thing that's stored, I think. It doesn't show everything. I need to either make it show everything on the pop-up bit, or I need to make it show everything on the like in-chat message. I'll show you what I mean here in just a little bit. Okay. Usually when you right click on something, like if I put a tool here, it tells me netherite tool. It won't tell me dust or anything right now. Alright, hold on. If I break this... Aha! Good! I am actually getting dust pack, which is what we wanted. But I can't insert this, can I? Nope, because it doesn't allow it. Okay, cool. So we got that. Import there. Got that. Export there. Having trouble putting it in a jar, I see. Also having trouble existing. Okay. Well, it should be working. Can transfer dust. Could this be another code issue with my mod? Let's look at the dust jar block entity here. This clearly fixed the first issue. Okay. Equal or empty. So when it comes in here, if this dot equals wait. So if this dot just amount is greater than 0, and this dot equals empty, this doesn't equal empty. So this is not empty, and there is dust. Return, are these matching basically? Otherwise return false. If that's not true, return true. So in theory, if our jar doesn't have dust in it and is empty, it returns true, which it should be doing. Tank 0. Dust and pedestal. Wait, hold on. I just shut that down. I didn't mean to. Oh, right. Yeah, that is tank. Tank return 1. Okay. No, that's right. Dust and Pedestal is supposed to check if that is able to insert. So, oh yeah, why is our pedestal not getting the dust? So it actually might be back in here. Also the particles weren't spawning. Okay, let's go back. Actually, let me just do that and do this. And then let me go back here. Oh, I went too far. Okay, this seemed to say it could accept the dust. Which means if that can accept the dust. Wait. Hmm. Okay. Well, hold on. This would have to be true for it to send the dust along, right? So this is just not receiving the dust like it should be? Remove dust. Hmm. I don't understand. I could do. I could do. If this. Oh, that's kind of a shitey way to do that. Is greater than 0. That. This ensures that this actually gets sent properly. I'm assuming. Okay. Try this again. Should I input print lines? I don't. I mean, I probably should, but I'm not for right now. Man, I am tired for some reason. Apparently staying up late to read was not the best option. But it's okay. I'll live. Okay. We have dust with pedestal. We have import upgrade. It's good enough for me. It appears to be sending dust. No more dust in there. This has dust in there. Like it should. Good boy. Okay. So we'll do this again. Alright, I'll actually pick that up. We're not going to put the export in yet, because what if it's the export issue? We have 30. So it sends 6 at a time, roughly? Is that right? Might be. I have 57 or 572, 62, 52. So 52. Yep. Cool. So there's 20 units in there. Boom. How do we only have 10 units in here now? Okay, hold on. If I stick that there, it's going to drain it completely. Then if I remove it, stick it here with that. There's some loss here, it seems. Okay. Let's do 10, 20, 50. So we have 50 dust in here. Cool. 50 dust there. That way, import. 40, 30, 20, 10, 0. It's all in there, supposedly. Let it transfer over. Whatever abysmal rate that is. I almost wonder if my spellcrafting table has its capability exposed, so I can import into it directly. Alright, so we should have 50 dust from there. We lost 10 somehow in transit. Either it's in there, it's in the pedestal, or we just lost it. Not there. Not there. And not there. So we lost 10 dust in transit somehow. That's interesting. I don't know why we would have lost 10 unless maybe somehow the first transfer, I don't know. Tell you what, we can do this. And also over here, we do the same thing. I don't know where we're getting a lossy dust transfer now. That's going to bug me. And 10 is the transfer rate, so it has to do something with transfer rate somewhere. It's just a matter of what. Hmm. Okay, let's drop this back in here. More dust. Got a pedestal and importer. All right, let's test this. Oh. Hold on. Hold up here. We may have found our issue. Oh, that's an issue too. Hold on. What the fuck? Yep, that's a bug. I didn't even think about that. Ooh, man, that's a heck of a bug right there. That I just found that these stack, so that's bad. Okay. That's really bad. How dare I? Alright, anywho. 50 dust. Put it in there again. We're triple checking. $40. Alright, our import is not absorbing all of it for whatever reason. Why? How are you not absorbing it all? When are you not absorbing it all? I don't even know how that would work because how is that doing that then? Transfer rate's 10. So that's prime suspect. But if that's the case, how's it getting past my drain methods? Because one's a simulate, one's an execute. They're basically the same thing. Weird. has to happen somewhere in here, I would assume. I don't know where else it would happen. Unless it's something to do with my drain method, maybe. I don't know. Oops, don't know what I'm doing there. Okay, sim count. So simulated removed. It's an int value. Okay. Okay. I'm assuming those will be the matching, and maybe that will be off for some reason. I don't know. Kind of a weird phenomenon that's not collecting all the dust that I put in there. Well, let's see what happens here. We have a jar. I need to break again. We have 50 in the jar. Says we have 50. Let's pop that back. Okay. Pedestal. Import, go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Alright. Added 10. Added 20. 30. 40. Why? So on the last one, it doesn't get added properly. Why is that? Is that because whatever currently is stored turns into a no value? Int color Could it be because I'm calling this, it calls this every time, and once we've removed it, it no longer exists, and so it's bye-bye? That could be why. So it could just be actually that this needs, add dust needs to go before drain, basically, is what that amounts to. Interesting. Or just pass the color, and I won't worry about it. Boom. Boom. Alright. Whoop. Hey, that one actually had 50 in it. Okay. 50. Start. I'm just going to have faith that it works. Because, you know, this is flawless. I don't know why it never not work. Boom. Beautiful. It works. It works. It works. It works. Okay. Awesome. Next question that I had was, does this actually have the right thingy bobby capability? Because we know the recipe by heart already. I'm just gonna grab an empty jar here. I'm gonna do that. Do that. Punk, punk, punk. Oh, petrified oak slab does not work because it's not considered a Minecraft wood slab for whatever reason. Okay, all right. So need to grab another tool here. Oop, wrong tool. That's the other tool I wanted. Okay, pop that. Pop that. Import there. Nope. Breaky break. Boom. Exports. Oh no. Oh no, it's not working. I need to expose the capability for that. Dang it. Oh well, that's fine. Alright, but, I mean, we basically figured that out. So that now works properly. Cool. I thought we had an additional Simulated removed around here, but maybe not. Maybe they are all gone. Okay, cool. So I just need to expose the capability in effect scrolls for the bench, basically. Scroll crafter, entity. Oh, where's the block entity here? Let's go back down to that. What I am going to do here is I am going to stick this in here just so we have the dust capability, because I want dust to be automatically inserted into this device. As far as the items go, I don't think that's necessary to expose that capability. So this is kind of just going to be a hidden capability, basically. Yes, this is hard-coded. Does it need to be hard-coded? Probably not, but it is. But yeah, I'll at least expose the dust handler here so we can insert dust automatically into the table, which I think would be a good way to keep it stocked up. But that's a fix for another day. I'm not gonna update that again tonight. The main one I wanted to make sure was we got the dust working. All right, so the jar works the way it should. Now, with the limited time we have left tonight, let's look at our pedestal block here. And right now, if we have use... Hi, kitty cat. If has redstone, if has fluid, has energy, has experience, health has item. Wait, hold on. Oh, if it's okay. What happened? I don't even know where that came from. Okay, let's go back down here. Okay. Removing buckets of fluid. Else has item. Okay, so if you're not crouching, you can see the items in the pedestal here. Get size is greater than 1. We want to do something different than normal. So currently what we're doing is we're doing this. So that's currently what we're doing. What I want to maybe do is... Ooh, how would I do that? I basically need to do for int I equals 0, I less than stacks dot size I plus plus. So a repeating thing basically. And then I would have to take this mutable component. Actually, let's make this 1. This will be 0. Cool. Dot. Okay, stacks.get. Oh, right. I have to do that. 0. So then we'll do this dot append component dot literal, and this is a string of comma that, and then we're going to put another append here. Oh, hold on. Let's fix this too. Boom. Boom. So then this will be there. Bonk. And this will be I. So that will just continue to make that bigger and bigger list, basically. And then it'll be gold, and we'll display it as a client message. We'll see if that actually works. But hopefully that will actually make a full list of everything that's in there item-wise. Because right now it only displays like the first stack. Oh, you know what I should do? Should I go through and set a string count? Oh, I didn't think about that. Huh. I just had another thing. What if we did another list? And another list string. Actually, I should probably make this a map. It doesn't really matter though. Does it matter? Yeah, it probably doesn't matter. Okay. So what I could do instead here, well, not instead, but that, we'll do this here. We'll do that. Okay, so how this will work. So I need to aggregate basically the, like what if you have similar items? Then do you want to display them all individually? That's going to get really clustered when you have up to 27 stacks in the pedestal. And maybe my thing is if you have multiple stacks, it prints to the chat instead. Maybe that's the way to do it. But I don't know. I do like having it print just right above your experience bar. That is kind of nice. Okay, so oh, it's just stack non-repeating. If it's greater than 0, which means we actually have entries. Else. Okay, so oh, actually the list. Oh, I didn't think about that. Wait, I don't want a string maybe. Maybe I do want a map here. Map item stack, comma, integer. Get mapped equals new hash map. I think that will work. We'll see. Dot put comma get I dot get count. Oops. Boom. Okay. So we're going to map the stack, which it doesn't really matter what size that stack is, but then we're going to map it to the number of how many items are in there, because we want to store the number of items in there. Right. Actually, hold on. Verify it's not empty first. Continue. Okay. If map dot contains key, which how does a map work again? Is the B here. Key. Okay, so the key is the first one, which is our item stack. Contains key stacks dot get actually, what if I did item here instead of item stack? Well, no, that's fine. because I want to keep the data if possible. Maybe get map contains the key. Oh well, maybe I do want to do item here. Let's do item. Get I. Get item. So if get map contains that item, then get map dot. Is there a way to set get contains key put getter default size values compute entry set contains value. I don't want contains value. I want to replace. Want to replace comma integer value. Okay, so I'm gonna need get map dot get stacks dot get I dot get item int current value. So then I'm going to need current value comma new value, which is current value plus equals the stacks.get count. Boom. I think that will work. Watch it fail miserably. All right, so if it contains that, then that. Otherwise, get map dot put comma and then the value, which is this. Boom. Get put contains replace getter default. Okay, cool. Boom. Getter default. So default value is 0 basically. That's probably better. That's probably, oops, what needs to be. Okay. Cool. That should be right, I think. Okay. Then down here, we can do this dot, is actually dot size works. Okay, cool. Let's do J. Just kind of want to change my variable here. Oh, I guess. Well, I should just verify dot if it's greater than 0. Okay. So then, if it's greater than 0, we can do no, get mapped. dot. Oh, how would I do that? Because I would have to for each that, wouldn't I? Yeah, I'm gonna have to for each that. Because that's not gonna work the way I thought it would. Well, hold on. Let's get map dot get put replace contains values. No entry set. For each. It's probably what I'm gonna do here. Set of items. Okay. If I do a key set here. Boom. Okay, so I have the key set dot. Oh, hold on. How am I going to do that? Add. No. That's not a thing. Can I do what I want to do? Do I have to do... I'm going to have to do it regardless. I'm going to have to do a for each. Maybe I'm... maybe I've overcomplicated this now. Overcomplication. Fun stuff. Okay. Oh... What if I did for that, comma, get... Hold on. Get map dot get. Is that what I need? Dot key set get. Or wait, do I need to name this? I forgot how this works. Hold on. I have an example in my event handler, I think. So I use this for other things. Here we go. Okay. For item get mapped. Oh no. Dot key set? Yes, there we go. Okay. Item dot. Okay. Translatable. Let's do a literal here. Let's just do a blank line, basically. Let's put this down here. Okay, hold on. I need to rip that out. Okay. Item dot get display name. Where's the description to be as close as that's gonna get? Default instance. Yeah, there we go. Get display name. There we go. We fixed it. Okay. And then this is that dot get item, and that will give us our value. Can I actually check get map dot get? Oh no, hold on. Dot. Can I get the number order for any of these by chance? I don't think so. Okay. I might just have to roll with that. Oh, I wonder if that will even work. So much additional code to make this maybe do its thing. Alright, let's hit run and see if this actually works or not. If not, I'll just comment it out and we'll work on something else later. For Thursday, we'll see what happens. Alright. Maybe this will work. Who knows? Oops. Okay. So I have a pedestal somewhere, don't I? Here you are. Alright, if I right click on you, am I gonna crash? Well, it's not working. Well, whatever this is, that's not working, so I guess that's fine. I mean, at least it doesn't crash me. I wonder if it, like, actually tells me in the, no, it doesn't even tell me in there. Usually, like, usually it would, like, tell me, like, an error or something, but it's not even doing that. So I guess it's fine. Not even crashing. Interesting. Do I want to know what could possibly be wrong? Well, okay, so this is clearly working. So, oh, I guess I don't need that anymore. Stacks. I'm assuming this is not actually working, because it would try to print something out if this was working, because this would be just a blank string. Testing. just put 3 spaces. 3 spaces is a lot though, but 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, that'll work. At least I'll see something come out here if this is actually working. Get mapped. Does my hash map need this as well? Actually, you know what? Let me pull up pedestals in 116. Because that's my only reference of using hash maps. Oh, that's dust. Wrong mod. Pedestals. Master 116. Alright. I'm going to do this on the side window here. Just because I don't entirely remember where it's at. Upgrades. XP Anvil? Anvil. Cool. Okay, so the Anvil... There's a lot of code in it that I don't remember. Oh, I just used a map. I just straight up mapped it. Oh, I am using a map here. Okay. This is what I'm using. Okay, maybe this is what I need to do. Maybe I need to do that. And then maybe I need to do that. Maybe that's the issue. Okay, let's try that. Because when I do that, enchants map, let me look at my stuff here. Where the fuck does this even get used now? Combine, crystals remove, pair rate cost, stuffy stuff, presents. What's this called? Enchants map. I know this gets used. I know this has to get used. Ah, here we go. Map enchantment, integer map equals... Oh, okay, so that's... What the fuck? Enchants map contains key. Oh, I see what I'm doing here. Okay. I don't know. Maybe that'll work. Maybe it won't. We'll see. Yeah, I think we're going to call it quits here after we test this real quick. Again, if it doesn't work, I guess I'll come back to it. Would be a bummer, I suppose. Oh, well. Not a huge deal. Interesting. I do wonder something real quick here. I wonder something very, very odd. So I pull up a pop-out chat when I do streams, and I haven't had anything my pop-out chat pop up for... Yeah, okay. I guess that's right. Huh. Let me just do that again. Okay. Never mind. Guess that's word for nothing. Alright, single player here. New world. Oh, yes. We got the OpenGL error finally. Where it spams my mod chat, or yeah, IDE chat basically until it hates me. Okay. Well, still not working. Still works? Not working. What if I add like another item here? Still not working either. And what if I do here? Oh, still getting that OpenGL issue. What if I put this down here? Nope, didn't matter. Okay. And spamming this doesn't really seem to return any extra information. So OpenGL bugs a little annoying when that happens, but I don't know why these don't work. I guess we will have to debug it later. So, all right, I'm going to call stream here. Thanks for stopping by hanging out, folks. We'll see you Thursday. I've been trying to get on about 7 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time, but I guess we will see about that. Let me see. I have stuff Wednesday going on and Friday going on. So yeah, I should be back Thursday, 7 o'clock Central Standard Time, give or take. Yeah, we'll see you then. We'll do some more Pedestal mod dev. I might try to fix this or do some other solution here, because I really like the idea of being able to see all the different items. And I guess what we might do is we might just have this list print out to the like actual text chat, instead of like the little pop up above your thing display. Or maybe I try to get this working. I don't know. Maybe I don't use a map. Maybe I use like a list and then try to like match lists together or something. I don't know. That sounds difficult, but we'll see. We'll see what we'll do here. So thanks for stopping by, hanging out. We'll see you Thursday. Have a good day. Have a good night. Have a good afternoon. Bye, folks.